Hi guys, I got some flowers for my birthday and I thought we would put them together. My favorite things about getting flowers is the challenge to make them last as long as possible. And I do that by cutting them down once or twice a week. I bought these at the dollar store. They're okay, but don't look cheap. So I don't have a real vase, but this will work. It's a leftover coffee jar. I don't put all of it, all this little cut flower food in there. I save it and add some throughout the week. Anyway. The birds are quite vocal right now. So it's not really a tutorial, is that the right word? On flower arrangements or anything, because I'm definitely not a pro. I just haven't really decided what direction I want to take this YouTube channel into. Oh, this little guy's broken. Smells good. So for now, I'm just going to do random little videos. So these flowers were from my birthday the other day. Lovely. And I just sort them out to see how many of what kind of flowers I have. Flowers. Okay. And first thing I do is just start by giving them a cut, an angled cut, to allow the water to absorb. I think I will. I kind of want to build the arrangement around the sunflower and the rose. I'm going to take off some of the leaves. Yeah, these keep sticking. Some of the fillers in. And I cut off the bottom leaves so that they don't get too bunched up down here and so that they don't get in the water. Okay. And I don't really follow any flower arrangement rules. I just do whatever is pleasing to me. I find making flower arrangements relaxing and kind of like gardening. Has that same relaxing quality to it. And it gets you outside. Well, I could do this inside. Oh, she's would stop sticking. Try the scissors instead. see how some of the leaves get in the water. I go back and cut those off because all they'll do is kind of die in there and fill everything up. So I take those off. Listen to those birds, huh? So I was kind of annoyed. I made a video this morning, and when I went to edit it, for some reason when I put it into the iPhone editor, it keeps cutting it, like, I don't know, flipping it and cutting it, so like my head's cut off. Not necessarily a bad thing, I suppose. So I don't even know if this video is going to work, if I'm zoomed out far enough. Hopefully. These are pretty. I love yellow. I love yellow. Sometimes it doesn't always work out on the first try, and just keep playing with it. I do try to create some kind of balance, so I have 4 purple, 2 yellow. I'm trying to balance those ones out. Let's see. Once I get some more in, I got some of these in. Had a group of turkeys kicking around lately. I thought maybe they were coming down. They typically are up on that hill up there. It'd be fun if they showed up. Yeah, so I'll make an arrangement today with these, and then a lot of times I can get a bunch of flowers like this to last for 2 to 3 weeks. I just keep cutting them down and making different arrangements, and it's fun and it's relaxing, especially when I get to come outside to do it, weather permitting. There was a time where I thought maybe I'd want to get a job in a florist making flower arrangements, but then I realized that it would take a nice little relaxing hobby and turn it into stress, right? Because you'd have to have everything done if it was a wedding. Oh, this one's broken. I really needed this one too. Oh well. Yeah, and that's just about it. And I'll just kind of rearrange them. Get this one in the middle some more. If I had some baby's breath put in here, that would fill it up a little more. But that's okay. As the week goes on and I cut them down, it'll fill up. I think I'm gonna, let's see. the white ones in here. Hmm. It's my amateur flower arrangement. And yeah, looks pretty. I like it.